Alright, so here we have several Rheem and Ruud units. This one's a Classic X. Two blades. Very nice unit. It's from 1995 and it's a 5-ton straight cool unit. There's a smaller one. There's two Ruuds right here. And then this big old Rheem. And this one has a fan motor replacement. $1995 5-ton. And then here we have this Ruud Achiever 10. Paint difference on these is noticeable. This one's a bit more kind of like a sand color looking, and these are more green, of course. Yeah, these are straight cool units. This is at the same building with the Luxaire heat pumps. And that data sheet's all worn off. Damn it. This is probably like a 3-ton, maybe 2.5 ton. And here's a smaller one right here. Nice little units. And there's the wires for the fan. Data sheets on this side. And of course that's illegible. Actually, I might be able to make out something on that. It might also be from 1995. And I'm gonna guess this is a 2-ton, judging by its size. Let's see in there. Yeah, nice patch of Rheem and Ruud units. And then there's two more over here. These ones are up on legs. Here's these two. Another Classic X. Always loved this Rheem logo. Seats up on legs. $1995 5-ton. Gotta catch these running in the summer. And this one looks like a newer one. And it has this typical Rheem logo. GE fan motor, it looks like. Oh yeah, this one's from 1999. It's a 5-ton, RAKA. And there's the compressor. It looks like they need a coil clean. But anyways, yep. There's these Rheem straight cool air conditioners and 2 Ruud units at this church. So, anyways, thank you for watching.